Hey, don't just drink water. Make it a self-care water. How can you do it? Let me show you. Here we go. What I enjoy doing is to pop this one caps of caffeine-free pure green tea extract. And it's not green in color, it's actually pink in color. That's why my water is now pink in color. I already popped one caps in, so we'll just do that. Okay, and after that give it a good shake, right? Okay, there you are, your pink self-care water, right? So what is most important for you to remember that if one caps like this can help you burn and support your fat metabolism, burning away 200 calories. So imagine already two caps in it. So when I finish this one bottle of it throughout the day of my water consumption, right, it already helped me in supporting fat metabolizing at least 400 calories burning away. So try it. And not only that, you can also do it for your coffee or tea, any of your favorite beverages. And besides that, it's so affordable. It only costs probably a dollar per caps. So if you want, command it with